Hello everyone, welcome to episode 2 of Machine Talk, a podcast series by Machine Astro. So in our previous episode we talked about IoT and condition monitoring era, and in this episode we'll be digging deeper into the predictive maintenance. I am your host Chinmay Mathur, and with me I have our guest Mr. Suvrajit Roy Chaudhary. Good morning sir, welcome back, welcome for the second episode.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot.
So last time we discussed about IoT and condition monitoring, and in this episode we'll be digging deeper into the condition monitoring and predictive maintenance. So anything to set the context for the viewers to start off this broadcast?
Yeah. This episode is going to be very interesting because we need to know the difference between predictive maintenance and condition monitoring. Once this difference will be clear to the viewers and the users, they can start thinking about the maintenance strategies, planning for their maintenance work in different way. So I think this particular session is going to be very interesting.
Yes sir, so to set the context, can you briefly explain the difference between traditional condition monitoring and predictive maintenance?
Yeah, certainly. Actually, both condition monitoring and predictive maintenance tells about the health condition of the machine. So it seems like both are equal, but it is actually not. Condition monitoring tells you the machine health condition of the particular instant, whereas a predictive maintenance deals with the data, and based on that, it predicts the health condition much early. So sometimes predictive maintenance is being driven by AI/ML model as well. So the difference is huge, but it seems like same. You can take my word in that way that predictive maintenance is a proactive process, whereas condition monitoring is a reactive process.
So why should industry shift from reactive or scheduled maintenance to predictive maintenance, and what are the major benefits they can get out of it?
Yeah, it's a very interesting question. Anyway, so the focus of industrial growth is based on 4 different letters, which combines together and make one phrase at RAMS, R-A-M-S, reliability, availability, maintainability and safety. And among these RAMS, safety is the most important concern. So, predictive maintenance ensures the safety of people, safety of in all other aspects as well, because you are not sending somebody to collect data by himself. You are collecting the data by using cloud or any other system, using IoT and all. Improving reliability by the means of MTTR, mean time to repair. We need to think about that. How? I'm telling you. If you can predict the problem much earlier by using predictive maintenance, then you can also identify what are the spare parts needs to be changed during that time. So you are actually cutting short the MTTR, mean time to repair, and hence you are affecting the productivity. You are reducing the cost involvement. So it is altogether a huge beneficial aspect for every industry. So industry has started to think in that direction. Now it is the time for the people, the shop floor people, to understand and to move ahead towards the direction to achieve the goal, because it is the overall gain of any industry. It is a complete beneficiary going to be the person who are involving into these industries.
What factors should a company consider when implementing predictive maintenance technologies according to you?
Yeah. Well, they should start with asset criticalities. They should identify the critical equipment first, which had become the biggest pain areas for the industry so far. Now, after collecting those data, they can try to install sensors. They should start to convince their management towards their inclination into smart predictive maintenance technologies. Rely on the system and wait for the result to come. So it is a process, goes hand to hand from department to department, but management should have a bigger goal to play here. They should take the call.
So finally, what's that one actionable step a company can take moving towards predictive maintenance? What should they keep there in mind according to you?
Yeah, I am very straightforward on this. Choose a pilot project, identify some critical equipments, install some smart sensor on the bearing points, and let it be there for next 30 days. The insight will change the mindset of everyone if being properly analyzed and if being result focused. So if the process is being properly followed, no, the mind change of people and towards accepting new technologies is just a minute of time. That is my sincere request to everyone to follow this path towards predictive maintenance. Yeah, thank you.
Yes, sir. So that's all we had for today's session. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for the audience to joining in as well. So in the third episode, we'll be looking forward to industry-specific talks regarding the predictive maintenance, how different industries are adapting to predictive maintenance,